Hello and welcome to this week's episode. Today we have an engineer coming to service our heat pump. So welcome to this. I'll go through with you what he is doing, what we've almost used in the year the heat pump was installed last April 24, and today is the 3rd of March 25. So we are 11 months in, and part of the deal with Octopus is they will service it 2 years, for 2 years. So we'll still have another free service next year. Then we are on our own.
So this is
Changing. So this is
to get it to coincide with our commissioning document, which is called breadcrumbs, and we go that up to 50.
that's the floor, yeah?
Yeah. Minus 8.
20 feet. Daddy, why?
Welcome back, guys. So the heat pump has now been serviced and all looks good. He did have a thorough clean inside. I'll show you the pictures of him cleaning everything and making sure there's no blockages anywhere on the heat pump. So he's cleaned all that, and the back there, and all the blades as well, and underneath at the back, make sure there's no blockages. A bit of pressure on the electric so that there's no dust in there, any spider webs and everything. You know, it's running now. All is well, and the pressure as well. Also from there, clean that, and the pressure has also been looked at, and all is good. And the calibration of the sensors for the heating, and we did play around with a bit of the settings upstairs. I will go back in there and see the settings that we have. Currently showing as 19.5 there and 20.1, so it will catch up soon because the door was open. It's overly sensitive. I need to put everything back. So here the pressure has also been updated, and there we are, 11 degrees out there, 33 floor, 20 downstairs, and 1.6 the pressure is 1.6. He's updated that, and we played around with the settings, so all is good. So I'll put everything back, and yeah, he sent me a lot of stuff regarding how to look after it, and the pressure gauge there is also good. So yeah, that's the servicing of the heat pump for the first time, and it went very well. He went, kudos to Ben, he went way over and above what he's meant to do, and he's been very, very friendly, helpful, and did everything, you know, by the book, showed me all the tips that I needed. It's been a great day to have the heat pump serviced and playing around with the settings as well. And yeah, all is good now. It's a shame winter is now going off, and the heat pump is now going to be running the water most of the time, really, as the temperatures rise outside. But rest assured, there's more videos that I'll be running. I'll run a yearly video. It's almost a year. There's more on the solar installation that I'm going for, so do subscribe to the channel, and for those more details, I'm excited by that. There's more to come. Do subscribe and put a tick, like the videos, and thank you very much for all that have subscribed, and watching these videos, please do message, comment, and let's have a chat. Let's share ideas and learn from each other. But there's a lot of learning in solar. I'll go through that with you again in the coming videos. So thank you. See you in the next one.